Welcome to the Windows Club. If you wish to disable splash screen in Word, Excel and PowerPoint, then either read through this article on the website or simply watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Click on File, select Options. In the Options window, go to the General tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, you'll find an option named Show the Start Screen when the application starts. Uncheck it, click on OK. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club, scroll down to the comment section and write your query. We will surely answer to it. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.